Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this brand new video, and in this video we're gonna go through one more demonstration. That is gonna be demonstration of various parts. Oh, sorry, various ports, not parts. Demonstration of various ports to identify various computer hardware ports. So what is the requirement? You require a motherboard. Okay. Hardware ports. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 ports. Let's start with the CPU ports. Okay, CPU. What was the last thing we studied? What was that? Uh, I forgot. SP. No, no, I forgot, bro. It was. Let me just have a look. Where did I write it? Um, Power supply. Some power supply. SMPS. Anyway, why am I even saying about it? CPU ports. Definition: slots on the motherboard where cables of external devices are connected. Where cables of external devices are connected. Where cables of external devices are connected. What does it mean? Slots on the motherboard where cables of external devices are connected. Types. What is CPU ports? What is slots on the motherboard? Slots on the motherboard where cables of external devices are connected is called CPU ports. Male ports having protruding pins required cables and female connectors. Female ports have holes to accept pins from the male cables. What the fuck is going on, bro? Okay, so CPU ports क्या होता है? Definition: slots, a slot on the motherboard where cables of external devices are connected. They have male and female ports. Male ports have a protruding pin which requires a female connector, and female port having holes to accept a pin from a male connector. Anyway, next, okay, let's just have a look at CPU ports. Let's have an image look. IMG. Let's have a look. Okay, so these are the entire thing is called a CPU. Of course, bro, central processing unit. It's not that processor we're talking about here. Okay, we have a serial port, where USB A type port, we have a power port, we have HDMI port, we have display port, we have Ethernet port. What the fuck is going on? I'm not gonna study that. VGA port, video graphic array. Video graphic array connects the monitor to the computer's video card. What does it mean? Can you understand? What does this mean? What's going on? Okay, VGA port. So the different other kind of a port which is connected to the motherboard is called a VGA port. Oh, we don't need a. Oh, we need a mother. Okay, VGA port. So video graphic array. Video graphic array. Say with me. Video graphic array connects the monitor to the computer's video card. Features 15 holes and resembles a serial port connector. Okay, VGA port, serial port connector. What are these weird stuff? Okay. Uh, so let's have a look at these are the VGA. So these are video graphic what is this video graphic array. So video graphic array ports, so these are present in the motherboard. Anyway, so how many holes are there? So if you look here, 15 holes are there. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, if I look, there is a pattern, right? Is there a pattern? Oh god, it's so hard to find a pattern in this. How do I even count with a pattern? Oh, basically this is nothing but it has moved a bit one point forward. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3. There are 15 ports. I 3 is 15. So VGA port is what? Video graphic array port. There are 15 holes, female holes or whatever you call it. What am I calling female holes, bro? Just 15 holes, not female ports. नहीं उसमें बस 15 holes present है and resembles a serial port connector. What is a resembles a serial port connector? What is a serial port? Serial so okay, resembles a serial port connector. Okay, why do I have to know that? I don't want to know that. PS PS2 port used to connect old keyboard and mice. Keyboards and mice. Mouse, nice. Invented by IBM, consists of six pin mini DIN connectors, one for keyboard and one for mouse. Okay. Now, second is VGA port हो गया, first है CPU port हुआ, VGA port हुआ. PS2 port used. Okay, how many minutes we have? We have 9 minutes. Okay, we'll finish it beforehand. PS2 ports used for connecting old keyboards and mouse, invented by IBM, consist of six pin. It consists of six pin mini DIN connectors. What is mini DIN connectors? Okay, six pin होता है इसमें. उसमें PS2 connectors में invented by IBM, old mouse and keyboard connect करने के लिए. It consists of six pin mini DIN connectors होता है. One for keyboard and one for mouse. 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 I mean, just have a look at. We'll have a look at this on internet. Okay, so there are six pins, right? Wow, two, three is six, two, three is six. One for keyboard, one for mouse. Invented by IBM. These are PS2 pins. PS forward slash two pins. Okay. So they are called minidins. What are they called? Minidins. Six pin minidins. Six pin minidins. Six pin minidin connectors. Six pin minidin connectors. Six pin minidin connectors. Okay, these are called PS2 pins. PS2 ports. Okay, फिर से बताओ PS2 ports क्या होते हैं? Old keyboard mouse controller invented by IBM consists of six pin Minidin, MINIDIN, mini din connectors. Okay, anyway, let's move forward. USB port, universal. Okay, this is crazy. Why do I want to know 1997? Because USB, bro, we all are using USB. This is USB. USB, have a look, have a look. This is USB, okay? You can see the sign also of the USB connector. So it was invented in 1997 and connects external USB devices like hard disk, printer, everything. Connects basically hard disk to the computer, hard disk to the motherboard, hard disk to the motherboard. Do I have to show the image now? USB port, you all know, right? What is that extra thing? Universal serial bus. Oh, universal serial bus. Universal serial bus. These are called universal serial bus. This is a good thing. I want to USB, universal. B for bus, S for serial, SERIAL, serial bus, universal serial bus. Okay, I'll remember that for my life. Anyway, easy it is. Ethernet port, Ethernet port. Have you not seen Ethernet port? They're basic bullshit, bro. And the requirement is just a motherboard. You not have seen this one. Basically, Ethernet cable को connect करने में help करता है. Um, to actually make use of the NIC network, um, interconnected card का. Right? That's what we call it, right? Let's have a look. Anyway, speakers and audio socket connects microphone speakers to the sound card. Okay, good work. Right? Speakers and I'm like literally interested. Like, what are the speaker this look like? Speaker and audio socket. Oh yeah. We do have this. How do I forgot this? Speaker and microphone socket. Anyway, let's have a quick revision. First of all is CPU ports, another is VGA ports, third is PS2 port, fourth is USB ports, fifth is Ethernet port, fifth is speaker and audio socket. Okay, can you explain CPU port? CPU ports are, what are CPU ports? I forgot everything. Okay, basically slots on the motherboard to which all the other parts are connected. Types, male ports and female ports present होते हैं. They are called CPU ports. VGA ports, video graphic array, 15 holes, serial port connector, and monitor as computer's video card and sound card से कौन connected है speaker and audio sockets. Ethernet क्या होता है? Ethernet card से connected है 10 to 100,000 Mbps speed support करता है Ethernet. USB ports, universal server, PS2 ports, IBM ports, that's it. CPU किसका होता है? CPU imagine करो क्या CPU एक ऐसा जगह है. CPU ports क्या होता है? CPU ports are the ports to which cables are connected. from external devices, male ports and female ports. Anyway, easy only. Okay, good work. So that's all for the video. I'll catch you up later. Then take care, be safe, keep learning. I'll come with lab 3, program lab 3.